Whoa!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to DIY Master episode number 2. Episode number 2. That's 4. We're not there. It's only episode number 2. So if you missed episode 1 of DIY Master, this is the show where I put my DIY skills up to the test against DIYs that are bigger and harder and more difficult than any DIY that I've ever done on my channel. Episode 1 was interesting. I just found out I was supposed to do 2 on every one. Yeah, she super does too. I'm not independent. I don't know if I can go on. Oh. So if you missed that, make sure to go watch that. Also, yes, I am aware that I had dark hair for a hot 6 seconds, 6 days to be exact, and now we're at this. And when I filmed the actual DIY portion of this video, I had the hair before the dark hair. It is exhausting being indecisive, let me tell you. Anyways, I'm so excited for you guys to see the DIY that I attempted, and let's just hop right in. Woo! My ball of yarn. Honestly guys, I thought this was gonna be so different, but it's kind of like the Santa beard knit fabric. I'm really stressed. Also guys, I like practiced with a piece of yarn. Not gonna lie, there's a little bit of homework beforehand, but like this definitely could be the first one that is a fail. I'm a little unsure. Honestly though, if we pull this off, I'm gonna quit my job and just open an Etsy store that just sells big chunky knit blankets, and I make this my full-time job because they're too expensive and I'm not trying to pay a bajillion dollars for a blanket. Honestly though, this is so soft, so if this does work, we're gonna have a sick blanket. The lady said 4 lengths, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Big giant ball. Honestly, like, ready for how heavy this is? So heavy. Wait, do I remember to do this? Okay, and then she was like holding it like, was this right? No, okay, yeah, like this, and then like this. No, wait. I need to watch the lady's video again. So we do it like this, and like this, like this, like this. Is that right? No. This is where like it could potentially get messed up real quick. Loopity like this, lippity like this, and pull tight. Oh yeah! Ready? And then repeat. Okay. Wait, no. What do I do now? Oh, okay. Got it. We're back. 1 and 2. Oh my gosh, guys, it's happening. It's super happening. Oh yeah, guys, we got it. This is kind of what I picture like a unicorn mane to feel like. Also, I used to knit like these little mini scarves because I was too impatient to knit an actual scarf when I was like 12, and I'm just like feeling very nostalgic right now. But I definitely didn't use my arm to knit. I definitely like used needles like a regular person does it. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Halfway there. Oh, this is the end. Wait, what? This is the end? Oh no, that's right. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Wait, what's this? Wait, what?
Whoa!
What are you? Oh my god, maybe because it's like cobwebs I ripped it? No! I'm so sad. I have a whole sleeve of wool.
That is so sad.
I'm so sad.
Yo, I'm so sad. Oh no.
Okay, let's start again. I've created a new sleeve and I've got lots of slack because we're not gonna break the cobweb again. That was some BS. I'm still sad in my heart about it. But honestly, this took like 4 seconds. It's also so soft. Like, if I ever move back to Canada, I'm just gonna make myself a whole sweater of this. Okay, so I'm gonna watch that lady do the next part because this is the part I did not practice. Also guys, I'm literally just like transferring this whole thing onto the other arm. Okay, whoa lady, going crazy. What just happened? Wait, what? Yeah. And then she's taking this back guy. What is going on there? What is that step? Pulls it up, goes around. Oh, and then this one goes over. Oh, I see. Okay, and then, whoa. Things are going crazy. Is this right? Oh God, I need to back it up. Okay, wait. I think I missed like 1 split second and now I'm all messed up. Okay, so I did that already. There's 4 on here. Oh, okay, here we go. We're back, y'all. Over, pull, loopity, think I messed up. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Ew, what are you? You don't belong in the blanket. She stopped. She's like, now for the second row. She just left me. Hang on. Let's scooch everybody up. Everything hip.
Yep.
Yo, we making a blanket. It can only be the length of my arm, which is probably gonna end up being a blanket for Moose because it's not gonna be that big. But we making a blanket, yo. Oh my god. Also, I'm realizing that at some point I'm gonna have just like a giant blanketed arm. Good. All right, next arm, next arm. I feel like once I get it, we'll just like go. We're just gonna bang out some blanket. I look like I also have like Gandalf on my arm. Or like Professor Dumbledore. They're all here.
Yeah.
They're all here. Whoa, lady. Okay, we have that. This. Boop. What is, oh, just kidding. We're fine, it's all fine. Wait, she's letting go, she's letting go. Oh God, I'm so stressed. So I look really stupid right now. I feel really stupid. I got it. I think we just go all the way. Oh no, that's a really big hole. Episode 1 happen all over again. I keep filming around lunchtime and I'm so hungry, but I have stupid Gandalf on my arm, so I can't even go eat. Honestly, depending on how long this takes, we might just have to bring Gandalf downstairs and we'll just have a family lunch with Gandalf, Dumbledore, Santa. It looks so good though! Like low-key? Yo, I'm coming for all y'all grandmas. Oh, sorry, I didn't see there because I'm knitting a mother freaking blanket! Look at this thing! Yo! We're making a blanket, like an actual blanket. There's like a few holes and there's a few like hairballs stuck in here, but this is a mother freaking blanket. Yo, Gandalf! This yo beard, bro! The update status on our roll. So like, I don't know how much longer I have of this because it's like getting tighter. Super starving still, so might have to get lunch soon with Gandalf. But yo, Moose gonna be so happy about this. All right, seriously, all y'all grandmas, I'm coming for you. I'm just a knitting pro now. I knew I was like an old person at heart, but like I'm really feeling it right now. Yo. Oh my god! I need a motherfucking blanket! Yeah. We're gonna take a lunch break, but the blanket has to come with me because it's attached to my arm. That's problematic a little bit. At least I'm gonna die in this nice blanket. Also guys, I've got this end tucked into the side of my pants and the excess tucked into this side of my pants. I told you this series was gonna be like mostly just me struggling. 50% DIY, 50% struggling. 100% fun. Guys, like I think we did it. I literally think this is it. Oh my god, I'm sorry Gandalf.
No.
Ha! Oh. That's it. That's like literally it. Wow. Why was this so much easier than knitting anything I've ever knit in my entire life? Literally, like I'm never gonna knit with anything that's super tiny ever again. Like why would you? This is great. Okay, we're just gonna hide this a little bit. Hide it. Okay, the last knot is done. Yo, we made a mother freaking blanket slot. This was so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Sorry Moose, I know that we talked about this being yours, but I have to take it back, I'm sorry. Wow, this is soft. Like low-key, you could be like, oh, thanks for the snack. Oh, you're handing me a drink, thanks. Oh, you need the TV remote? Thanks. Yo, honestly, if anyone comments fail in the comments down below, I'm just gonna disregard it because this was a nail. We nailed this. We so nailed this, I can't believe it. This only took, honestly, an hour of focused knitting. Matt, what do we think?
This is a blanket.
It's a blanket.
Mother freaking blanket.
It's a mother freaking blanket, y'all. Enjoyed episode 2 of DIY Master. If you haven't already seen episode 1, make sure to go check that one out. And let me know in the comments down below if I nailed it or I failed it. To be honest, if YouTube doesn't work out, I'm just gonna be a chunky blanket knitter, I think is the long-term goal here after this video. And also if there are any DIYs you'd like to see me attempt, make sure to leave those in the comments down below as well. I already have an idea for episode 3 and 4, which I am so excited for. But if there's anything specific you'd like to see me go up against, make sure to let me know. And you can follow me on all my socials in the down bar below. And I I think that's it. We'll see what color hair I have next week, because maybe it could be something different. I don't know at this point. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another video, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.